सभा क्या कुछ कह रहे हैं कार्तिकेय शर्मा, सुनाते हैं आप।
Public life was the 93-day Jan Yatra through which you traveled an extraordinary 19,000 kilometers across Tamil Nadu, meeting people in every corner of the state and hearing their issues directly. This was not merely a political exercise. It was an affirmation of your belief that leadership begins with listening. It is the spirit of service that led you to serve as the governor of 4 important states: Jharkhand, Telangana, deep and a positive impact and impression, showing what federalism really means. Honorable Sir, throughout your public life, you have upheld simplicity, transparency and service to the last person as your guiding principle. Reaching the most marginalized and understanding their aspiration has been a hallmark of your leadership. It is thus the humane vision and your capable leadership that will guide the direction of this House. Sir, we are the youngest country in the world, with more than 65% of our population under the age of 35. Sir, the Rajya Sabha is an institution where dialogue meets dignity, balance shapes consensus, and thoughtful deliberation strengthens our democracy. I have complete confidence that under your stewardship, this House will not only fulfill its constitutional mandate with greater strength, but will also reach new heights in decorum, quality of debate, and effectiveness in policy making. Thank you, sir. Once again, I'd like to welcome you on behalf of the state of Haryana and the House, and looking forward to work under your umbrage. Thank you very much.
तो देखिए, आपको बता दें, आज से ही संसद के शीतकालीन सत्र की शुरुआत हुई है, जहां पर अपनी बातों को रखते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं सभी सांसद। और देखिए, ये बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है। और यहां पर अब देखिए कि मस्तान राव यादव जो हैं वो अब अपनी बात रखेंगे। बहरहाल आपको बता दें कि संसद के शीतकालीन सत्र की शुरुआत और बेहद महत्वपूर्ण ये सत्र माना जा रहा है, क्योंकि कई बिल ऐसे हैं जो सरकार लेकर आने वाली है, कहा जा रहा है।
Warm welcome to you on the first day of in this August House as its chairperson, sir. Sir, he entered public life at a very young age, actively participating in social and organizational work from the early 1970s. Over the decades, you have grown into one of the most respected leaders from Tamil Nadu, known for your calm temperament, administrative understanding, and deep concern for people's welfare. Your long public journey stands as a testimony to your patience and belief in democratic process. Sir, you had the privilege of representing the people of Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu in the Lok Sabha twice. During your tenure as Member of Parliament, you worked tirelessly for the development of the Coimbatore and Tamil Nadu.
बढ़ते हैं आगे और पाकिस्तान से इस वक्त